That's amazing. It's rainy, it's dangerous,
There's lightning everywhere.
we're in the middle of Ethiopia.
Probably not gonna make it.
Never mind.
Day 18's happening.
Today's a special day. We're heading to Lalibela to see some really awesome churches.
They're monolithic, stone-cut churches that were literally carved with an existing stone. There's 12 of them. That's a real skeleton.
You're telling me this was made in 3 years, and New York City cannot build a road in 5 years. At the end of the day, soccer is the main religion. All carved from one stone, and they wouldn't let us fly the drone. Sad. And that's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.